This is the Canon EOS Rebel T6 Premium Kit Review. The Canon EOS Rebel T6, also known as the EOS 1300D, is a budget-friendly DSLR with an 18 megapixel APS-C size sensor. This kit is priced at $449. Let's set the camera up and take a look at the features. First, you'll need an SD card. You also need a fully charged battery. And attach the lens. Note the gold connectors need to line up after you screw in the lens. You hear a clipping sound. Let's turn the camera on. Display button. Live shooting. Aperture exposure button. Quick control button. Menu button. And you toggle through the menu up and down and right to left. Playback button. And the quick release button for the lens. Let's take it outside and take a few pictures. Test it out. We'll use a smaller lens first. I'm taking shots that are about maybe 25 to 30 feet away. Nice colors, crisp, detailed images. Let's switch to the larger lens for further away shots. Don't forget to line up those gold connectors after you twist it. Listen for the click. There's the click. I chose to take pictures about 200 to 300 feet away or more. Once again, these images are pretty crisp. Let's attach the Rode mic. It's an accessory that many people will use. This is the downside to this camera, is that the input on the Canon is too small for the Rode mic. So an adapter will be purchased if I want to use this Rode mic. The T6 features a host of scene modes, including a Scene Intelligent Auto mode, plus numerous creative filters like manual, portrait, food, landscape. Full HD can be captured at 30 frames per second or 24. The Rebel T6 also has Wi-Fi with NFC for easy sharing via Canon's Camera Connect app. The Canon EOS Rebel T6 Premium Kit is loaded with tons of features. It comes with 2 exceptional lenses, a nice carrying case, and a strap for your camera. After using this product thoroughly, my review is a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Only because the audio jack for the Rode mic would not fit. I'll have to buy an accessory so that I can use that. The Canon T6 would be a great upgrade for someone who's using something that's a little less advanced. This is definitely not a purchase for someone who is a very experienced photographer or a professional, but this is a nice upgrade for an amateur or even an intermediate. I highly recommend this product, and for $449, this is an outstanding deal. I wanted to thank you guys for watching. Please hit subscribe for me so you can be updated on future reviews. Enjoy the unboxing, and thank you again for watching.